everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today again I'm participating in the challenge. In this case is the $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge hosted by Ria's World of Ideas and Clueless Mama D. I'm going to link both channels in the description box. I will also link the playlist where you will find all the videos of all the participants in this challenge. Please visit both channels and watch the videos in the playlist. Both both channels are really worth paying a visit. Both ladies are so creative. I've got so much inspiration from both channels. I always find something I can't do, I can't recreate, and they also have cleaning, organization, thrifting, you name it. So please visit their channels, and thanks to both of them for hosting this one. I'm going to make, as the requirement of the challenge is, an item, a piece of decor, spending $5 or less. In this case, much less. I'm going to use just a couple of items, all from Dollar Tree. Sorry. This is the frame of those canvases that you buy at Dollar Tree. I needed the canvas, so I cut it out and I use it for another DIY. And then I ended up with this frame, which was this color. So for this DIY, I wanted it to look like this. So I used the liquid shoe polish. You can find it at Dollar Tree. This is not from Dollar Tree. I needed it urgently one day because I have had this for a while, and Dollar Tree didn't have it, so I bought it at Family Dollar. But you can find it at Dollar Tree. And it's great for staining, very easy to apply. Let me show you a little bit. You have to press to make the thing come down. And then it's just a matter of, spreading the polish. And this is the first layer, in a way. And but I wanted it to look darker, so I gave it 3 layers. And I like the color it has now. So then I'm going to hang this leaf that you find also Dollar Tree. You can buy, I think, 5 of them. 2, 3, 4. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And they are really pretty. I love them. I couldn't get them last year, and I was lucky enough to find them this year. So I'm going to hang it. They have this wire on the back, so I'm going to hang it in the middle of the frame, eyeballing. And I'm going to press this wire to attach it. But I'm also going to reinforce it with hot glue, our great friend, the hot glue. I'm being generous. I'm going to add hot glue here also, just a bit here. Let me use my fingers protectors. I love them. No more burnings. They are made of silicone, and believe me, they are the best. Very inexpensive. I bought them on eBay. From China, of course. Now I'm going to add some other items that I have leftovers from other DIYs. Believe it or not, this is the only yellow leaf I have left from all the greenery I bought last year and this year from Dollar Tree. It's the only one I have left. It was on top of a pumpkin, So it has this piece of pumpkin, but it's not going to be seen, so it doesn't matter. Just a little dots of glue, hot glue. I'm going to place it like here. Okay, now I'm going to add this pine cone here. Okay, and I'm going to add these 4 berries here and here. Let me see how it looks. I'm going to paint with a marker to cover all these parts that the paint has disappeared. It happens all the time with these berries. It needs a little bit of pressure. And this is going to come here. Let me see, there. Okay. And more glue here on this little one. You can use also any other adhesive that you have at hand, but I love the glue gun. So we are almost done, and I want to add this ribbon here, like so. Yes. Again, some pressure and some patience. I may need to add a little bit more later. And I want to glue these pieces of the ribbon here. And here. Okay, I like it. Oh, almost glue it to the table. And that's it. As you can see, this is really easy. You can add a background if you want. My walls are dark gray, so I know that it's going to look really good. I'm going to hang it on, and maybe, I don't know, I have to think about that. Maybe I will just place it on a shelf, but I like the background, that being my walls, as I said, dark gray, is a perfect background for this to stand out. And then, as I said, I'm going to fix these white spots with markers, and that's it. It's really easy, really simple. Very few items, things you probably have at home. And anyways, if you have to buy one stem of these greeneries, another $1. But honestly, I spent $2. One for the leaves, and I still have 4 more. One for the canvas, and I could use it for 2 DIYs. So in fact it's 50 cents. And just the ribbon, I already had it. So it's $2, maybe $3, no more than that. And it's I think it's a beautiful piece of fall decor. I like it, how it looks, and hope you like it too. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sorry, if you haven't already. Sorry, me and my English. I hope one day I will speak perfect English. I'm trying hard. Ring the bell so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video, usually on Mondays, except when there is a challenge like today. And please visit the hostess's channel, again, Ria's Worlds of Ideas and Clueless Mama D, and watch the videos of all the participants who worked hard to make pieces of the core, furniture, whatever it is, to bring you new ideas and new inspiration. Hope you will have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.